Right. Good afternoon, guys. So, in the previous session, we discussed a program which fetches the first and last character from each word. Okay, each word, guys. Right. Now, let us try one more program. One more program to fetch all special characters from the given string. Right. Write a program. Write a program to fetch all special characters from given string. Okay, all special characters from the given string, right? Given string. Yes. So we'll take a string now. We'll take a string. For example, let's take the string at Narayana. Some special character. Digits also let us try now, right? Space also I'm taking. And suppose we'll take here Python hash. I just take now something 6, 7, 8 like this, guys. So this is the string. In this string, we have the uppercase characters, lowercase characters, digits, special characters, and space also is there. Now, what I want here, I want to fetch all special characters, including the space. Including the space, I want to fetch. Okay. For this one, we can use a module called the string module, guys. What's the name? String module. The string module, right? So in the string module, what is there? Let us see first about this one. Let's take first import string, right? Then in the string, there are some attributes, that is, okay, ASCII letters is there, guys. ASCII letters. ASCII letters means it has the data of all lowercase characters A, B, C, D, E, and so on. Then capital A, capital B, capital D, up to the last one, guys. Okay. So it has all lowercase letters and the uppercase letters, right? So from here, so what I want now, so suppose first N is coming, that N must not be there here. At the same time, A must not be there. So if you don't have here, means it's not a English character. It may be special character, maybe digit, right? Maybe digit, guys, but not a, okay, either upper or lower, right? So what do I do now? We'll check it now, guys. So first, for we take the one for loop first. So on here only, along with this one, we have one more also, that is digits is there. Digits also. Digits means okay, it has the all the numbers like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 like this. All numbers are there. So from here I fetch one by one, that each one must not be available either in the ASCII letters and also in the digits. If it's not available in the letters and digits, we can take as a special character. Okay, right. For that one, for I in ST means from the main string, take the first I character. That I take directly a combination, guys. If that I must not be in string.ASCII letters, so that I must not be in the letters, and also that I must not be in digits also, guys. That I value must not be in the letters and digits. In that case, that I want to print. So we take the some list here. I'm going to print it now. I'm going to print it. Right. Let's observe here. Right. So I think this is the result of the previous program, guys. Let me comment the previous one. Yes, this is the previous one, right? So on this one, yes. So in this given string, only at the rate, space, and what is there here? hash, guys. These are the special characters. Suppose I don't want space also, sir. Don't include space in the special characters. So same here. What we do, we take one more if. So under that I, okay, must not equal to which one space. That's all. That I must not equal to space. Now at the rate and hash only two are there. Suppose let me change the string. I change the string here. Let's take some Python like this. All of you. I take the all special characters here. I'm taking now like this. Okay, and NT all of right. Let me try. These are all possible special characters here. I take the like this also and H. I take the small H, guys. Small H. I'm taking 1 2 also. Okay, 1 2 also. Let me try here. So here except letters and digits, remaining all coming, right? Remaining all special characters are reading, guys. One by one, every special character is reading. Right? If you take the space, now space will not read, okay? Space will not read in the result. You can see space not came. Why? I said that on the I, we kept the three conditions, guys, right? We kept three conditions. That I must not be a letter and okay, that I must not be a digit and that I must not equal to space. Okay, so remaining all will come as a special character, guys, right? So wherever the if condition is true, if anyone satisfy these three, like this first, second, third one, if anyone satisfies, then that's going here, that's going here and displaying. Okay, that's going here and displaying, guys. Okay, right. So this is the one of the ways to fetch special characters from the given string. Okay, this is by using which module? String module, guys. Okay, string module, right? Yes. So thanks so much, all of you guys. In the next session, we'll see one more example. Thank you all of you guys. Bye.